In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Breadcrumbs Shopify 5 minutes. Breadcrumbs are those small clickable links that show a path like home collection product. They help shoppers understand where they are, jump back a level with one click, and give search engines extra context about your store's structure. Let's keep this simple and get them added quickly. Start by going to the Shopify website and signing in to your store's admin. You'll land on the dashboard where you manage products, orders, and your theme. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store. This is where your theme and storefront settings live, and it's a natural starting point before adding features that affect navigation. Next, open the Shopify App Store from your admin. You can access it directly from the apps area or via the prompts Shopify provides. The App Store is where you'll find trusted tools to extend your store without touching code. In the App Store, use the search bar and type breadcrumbs. You'll see several options that add a breadcrumb trail to your product and collection pages. As you browse, glance at ratings, recent reviews, and whether the app mentions compatibility with your theme or Shopify's Online Store 2.0. This helps ensure it works smoothly with your setup. Choose the Breadcrumbs app that best fits your needs. On the app's page, read the overview to understand how it places the breadcrumb trail, check screenshots to see examples, and review the pricing and support details. Picking an app that's actively maintained and clearly documented will save you time later. Click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to run, such as reading your theme or adding a small snippet. This is standard for apps that enhance your storefront's layout. Make sure you're comfortable with the permissions and that you recognize the developer. Finally, confirm the installation by clicking Install again. After this, you'll be taken back to your admin with the app added. Most Breadcrumbs apps provide a quick setup guide or enable themselves automatically. If there's a short wizard, follow it to turn Breadcrumbs on and choose a style that matches your theme. A few practical tips as you wrap up: preview your storefront to confirm the breadcrumb trail appears where you expect, check both product and collection pages, and test on mobile to ensure the links are easy to tap. Keep labels short and clear so the trail remains readable. With that, your navigation is cleaner, your users can move around faster, and you've added a small but meaningful boost to SEO.